Hello guys, good morning, buen dia. Okay, today I have recompensa, reward in English, 12 euro session, sisang di 12 euro. Okay, vamos começar, let's start. I have ticket number 4 in a row, 28, 29, 30, 31. Tenho o número 28 a 31. Okay, it's very simple this game guys. We're looking for sheriff symbol. No other chance to win, only the sheriff. Okay, let's start. I can use my countryman M2M, grab and gamble coin. Maybe it's a lucky coin for today. It's very simple. All the other symbols are all decoration. Ay, winner! Ticket number 31. It's a winner. Let's hope it's not coffee money. Like they always do. Give me one more match for not possible coffee money. Ticket number, I started with 31. I found the sheriff symbol. How much? I was thinking, what? I won 500? Oh, Lord, Zika. Never happened on my channel. Of course. 3 euros sure is a winner. Not 500 is not sure. Okay. 31, 3 euro, as expected. I thought I won 500. Hi, back-to-back wins. Wow. Ticket number 30. Please don't give me back-to-back coffee money. Please. In Portuguese. Por favor. This is a fast session, guys, because there's no other possibilities to win. Only one match. Give me a 0. Give me a 0. All the coffee money in the world, guys. So 5 plus 3, 8. Not bad in a 12 euro session. Why they don't give me at least 10? Oh Lord, this Portugal lottery. Okay, so 8 out of 12. Not bad. Let's hope all winners. All winners, guys. This is a fast session. I don't feel well, guys. This clover looks like sheriff sometimes. Back-to-back coffee money, guys, as they always do. Of course, this is not a winner. Ticket number 29. At least give me 3 euro here, so I get 8. At least I only give 1 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Come on, ticket. This symbol always show up here. In recompensa, the 5 euro never showed up. Come on, give me one more win. One more win. 2 chances. 1 chance. Of course. Of course not. Okay, so. Ay, Lord of mercy. Okay, so I got 8 euro out of 12 euro session. Okay, so 4 euro donation to Portugal Lottery. Okay, so 3 and 5, all the money in the world. Almost every day. Of course, that's gambling for you. If you win every day, you don't need to work. Okay, so not bad, guys. 4 euro donation is not bad. At least I got back some money. But I always expect coffee money wins almost every day. Okay, bye. So I got back to back, guys, okay? 31 and 30, all coffee money in the world. I thought I won 500, but no, €3. Okay, ciao.